Bomb Rubs and Spices back with you, and today we're going to be making creamy chipotle shrimp. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do, we're going to make our sauce. This is going to be a chipotle sauce. It's a little creamy, a little runny, but it's going to taste delicious on these shrimp. We're going to start off with a 1/4 cup of mayo. One cup sour cream. Next thing we're going to add is our chipotle chilies and adobo sauce. We took 2 chilies out of a little tiny can and the rest of the adobo sauce, that's going to go in. Put in 1 clove of garlic and the juice of half of a lime. All right, once we get all that mixed up, we're gonna add a little bit of our Cluckster Rub. It can be found at Flavor Bomb Barbecue, fbbbq.com. I'm just gonna add about maybe a half a tablespoon, just enough to get a little bit of salt and pepper in there. And then we blend. All right, once we get done mixing up our sauce, we're gonna move on to our shrimp. Shrimp's super easy. We're going out on the grill. It's gonna be about 300, 325 degrees. It's gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes aside. All we're looking for is a pink color, that's it. First thing we're gonna do, take a little bit of spray, and a little bit of our Cluckster. We're just gonna liberally season these shrimp up. If I open the right side. Head out to the grill. All right, grill's up to temp. It's gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes aside, just like we said, so don't walk away from this one. Let's get them on the pit. These skewers make handling shrimp a hell of a lot easier than trying to chase them around the grill. Highly recommend you get these if you don't have any. Anyway, let's close the lid and we'll be back with them here in about 1.5 minutes. All right, it's been about 1.5 minutes. Let's take a look at them, see where we're at. All right, you can see they're already starting to turn opaque here in the middle here. So let's go ahead and get these things flipped. Oh man, look at that beautiful, beautiful color on that shrimp. That's exactly what we're looking for. Take another minute, 1.5 minutes, and we're gonna be good to go. 1 minute later, these shrimp are done. Let's go ahead and get them off. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab these skewers here. And all we're gonna do, just like that, right into our pan, and we'll head back inside and put them in our sauce that's heating up. All right, let's go ahead and heat up our sauce while our shrimp's out there cooking. All we're gonna do is heat up a cast iron or a skillet. You can use cast iron if you want. You can do this outside, but it's August, so I'd rather do it inside. All we're gonna do is put our chipotle sauce into our pan. All right, as the sauce is heating up and bubbling up, all we're gonna do is we're gonna add 1 red bell pepper just for some color. 3 cloves of garlic. And more lime juice. We're gonna let this simmer away and let the bell peppers get nice and soft, and then we'll add our shrimp in at the last minute. All right, now it's been simmering away for about 5 minutes. We're gonna add our shrimp into our sauce. We're just gonna let these incorporate, let all the flavors meld together, and then we'll be good to go. All right, this is looking good. So, here at the Hill household, all we do is we just set it up here family style. And we just toss a little bit of cilantro on just for a little bit of garnish. If you don't like cilantro, leave it out. Not a big deal, but there you go. Creamy chipotle shrimp.